Hello beautiful kids, welcome to Joyful Kids World. Today, we are going to listen to the story of the old man and his sons. Once upon a time, in a small farm, there lived an old man and his sons. His sons always quarreled so much over everything. This made him worry very much as he was old. One day, the farmer came back from the market and brought a bundle of sticks. He wanted to teach his sons an important lesson. He told his sons to break it. They tried over and over, but they couldn't do it. The old man untied the sticks and told them to break the sticks, each separately. They were able to break the sticks easily. Their father told them, "When the sticks were tied together, it was very difficult for you to break them. What happened when I separated them? It became very easy for you to break them. When you are united, you are much stronger and it is difficult for you to be broken. Just like the sticks, you brothers, are supposed to unite and work together. It is very easy for you to be broken when you are separated." The moral of the story is, unity is strength. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly remember to like, share and subscribe. Bye, and remember to always be kind.